What if you don't burp? Gas can build up in your stomach, leading to bloating, discomfort, and even pain. Normally, burping helps release swallowed air. But if it isn't expelled, the gas may move into the intestines, causing further bloating and cramps. In rare cases, a condition called retrograde cricopharyngeal dysfunction, RCPD, prevents people from burping, leading to significant discomfort that may require treatment, like therapy or Botox injections. If you struggle to burp, drinking a carbonated beverage, moving around, or adjusting your posture might help release trapped air.